QuickBooks Error 6177. For quick solutions. Solution 1. Update your QuickBooks. Step 1. Launch the QuickBooks desktop application. Step 2. Go to the Help menu and select Update QuickBooks Desktop. Step 3. In the Overview tab, click on the Update Now option. Step 5. Now click on Get Updates, and it will start downloading the updates. Step 6. Once the download is complete, QuickBooks will ask you to restart. Click OK to proceed. Solution 2. Update the file location. Step 1. First, you need to move your company file. To begin, click on the Windows Start menu on your computer. Step 2. Enter File Explorer in the search bar and open it. Step 3. Now locate and open your QuickBooks folder. Step 4. Look for the company file that ends with .qbw extension. Step 5. Note down the drive location and name for putting the file back there later. Step 6. Don't move the entire folder, just shift the company file to C drive. Step 7. Now, you need to create a portable company file and restore it to the server. To proceed, open the QuickBooks desktop. Step 8. Go to the File tab and select Create Copy option. Step 9. Now select Portable Company File and click on Next. Step 10. Rename the portable company file and click Next. Step 11. Click OK when you get the Close and Reopen pop-up. Step 12. Press OK again, the QuickBooks desktop information pop-up. Step 13. To restore the portable company file, open QuickBooks. Step 14. Go to the File tab and select Open or Restore QuickBooks Company. Step 15. Now select Restore a portable company file and click Next. Step 16. Find and select the portable file you created, then select Open and click Next. Step 17. For the Restore location, select the drive you originally moved the company file from, then click Save. Step 18. It'll take some time to restore the company file. Solution 3. Run QuickBooks Tool Hub on your server. Step 1. Open QuickBooks Tool Hub. If you don't have it, download the latest version from the official website. Step 2. In QuickBooks Tool Hub, select Company File Issues, then select Quick Fix My File. Step 3. Then QuickBooks Tool Hub will diagnose and fix the issues. Step 4. Once done, click on Run QuickBooks File Doctor. Step 5. Select your company file from the drop-down menu. If you can't find it, click on Browse and select the file. Step 6. Next, choose Check Your File option and tap Next. Step 7. Enter your QuickBooks admin password, then click Continue when prompted. Step 8. File Doctor will take few minutes to diagnose and repair the file. Step 9. Once done, open QuickBooks and see if the issue is resolved. Solution 4. Manually fix the file path. Step 1. Open File Explorer on the server computer. Step 2. Locate the QuickBooks folder and the .nd file extension. Step 3. Right-click on the .nd file and click on Delete. Step 4. Open QuickBooks Tool Hub. Step 5. Go to Network Issues tab, then select QuickBooks Database Server Manager. Step 6. Click on Start Scan if you see your company files. Step 7. If you don't see your company files, browse to the location of your company files and click Start Scan. Step 8. Wait for QuickBooks Database Server Manager to auto-repair your firewall permission. Step 9. Once done, click Close and see if the error is resolved. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mwjconsultancy.com or call us at +1 87746900298 +44 800 0548 150.